Have you been holding back on sharing your tarot reading gifts with the world because you're worried that people will not take you seriously? Or maybe worse, they're going to think that you're completely weird? Even though you know that you can help people with this extraordinary tool, you still don't feel comfortable declaring that you are a tarot reader. Well, I gotta say, welcome to the club because I've been there, I've done that. And here's the thing, I've also taught hundreds of other successful tarot readers who've experienced that same thing before they made that shift to finally be taken seriously as a tarot reader. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop holding yourself back and really give you the tools to finally share your beautiful gifts with the world and be taken seriously as a tarot reader. So, why does it feel so hard to confidently declare that you read tarot? Well, here's the thing. First of all, it is not your fault because we have been living in a world where misconceptions and negative stereotypes about tarot have been circulating through TV shows, through movies, books, and even some religious and scientific circles for years. And tarot has been inaccurately portrayed as this mysterious, evil, scary thing that's only used by those people who dabble with these occult practices, right? And so, of course, it makes sense that people who view these practices with fear or skepticism would also be a bit dubious about tarot. But tarot is far wider reaching than that. Modern readers like you and me use tarot as an archetypal system to help tap into our intuition and get clarity and guidance on our regular day-to-day life. And it's not to summon demons or see the future in this crystal ball. And that's actually one of the big misunderstandings that people have about the purpose of tarot. They think that tarot readers are all these wacky fortune tellers like Professor Trelawney in Harry Potter, right? Or that they're claiming to be able to predict the future with this absolute certainty. Of course, you know through your own tarot practice that most tarot readings are actually focused on providing guidance, insight, and perspective around situations. And great tarot readers know that we all have free will and that making specific predictions contradicts that core philosophy. But people who don't know this about us, they start to think, oh, well, you're just a fortune teller, and they might be a little bit skeptical about that. Now, of course, there are unfortunately some shady characters out there in the tarot world, and it's the same in any discipline or modality. And some of this is because there's no governing body or regulation in the tarot world. So anyone can say that they're a tarot reader without any formal training or ethical guidelines. And unfortunately, these unethical readers give tarot a bad name, making people think that we're all con artists and charlatans. And this is so unfair, and it's what keeps so many people from experiencing the gift of tarot. And it's my mission to really change this negative perception by supporting as many tarot lovers as I can to really shine their light and show the world what tarot is really about. And I want you to remember that there are all these misrepresentations of tarot, and that are usually created by people who've never even used tarot and they don't even know anything about its history or its true purpose. Now, if you were a world-class surgeon, for example, and you had somebody who'd never heard of modern medicine and they freaked out about the idea of anesthetic and being asleep and then being cut open with a scalpel, and then they called you a monster, would you go and put your tools down and then be a plumber or something instead? No, you would stick with your passion because you would know the truth and exactly how what you do helps people. So, my friend, do you know the truth about yourself as a tarot reader? Because that's the first step in turning all of this around. So despite what we're up against, you can do something about it. It all starts with you. Because here's the thing, before anyone else can take you seriously as a tarot reader, you need to take yourself seriously as a tarot reader. Now, this is a lesson I learned the hard way because would you believe that I did my tarot work under a pseudonym for the first 10 years of my career? So when anyone asked me about my work, I would be there like sweating bullets, sweaty palms, all of the things. I'd start mumbling out something about reading tarot, kind of not trying to make eye contact, feeling completely awkward and totally embarrassed, like I just wanted to get out of there. And so do you think that kind of energy is what people, were attracted to? Do you think they were like, oh, wow, she's a tarot reader? Or were they a bit like, what is she talking about, right? So The thing is that the more readings I did, and then the more that I actually practiced tarot, the more that I realized how much people's lives were being transformed as a result of my intuitive insight. So it was really seeing these real life results that I finally acknowledged the value that I deliver in a tarot reading. And that was what completely changed my tone. So one day at a business conference, I channeled this like really new energy, and I boldly told anyone that I talked to that I was a tarot reader. And do you know what? Nearly everyone perked up when I started talking about tarot. And I even remember meeting this one guy. He was in his 50s, he was all dressed up in a suit, he looked very conservative. And the old me would not have dared to even mention tarot to this man. But I had so much belief in my value that I proudly told him about my tarot readings. And let me tell you, this man, he lit right up. He excitedly told me about his collection of like these 20 decks that he's got and how he'd been reading tarot for years. And that's the thing. People are actually searching for guidance, support, and insight, especially in these current times. So many people are open to exploring different ways to connect with their own intuition and make their lives better, even the ones that you wouldn't expect. So I learned that day not to make assumptions about what someone might be willing to explore based on their job or even how they look. And I also learned that when I fully embody my expertise and my passion, the right people are drawn to me in that moment. And those are the people that I can help. So you see, it all changed when I truly started to believe in myself. And that's what I want for you to believe in you. Now, you're probably wondering how you get from where you are now to becoming that confident, trusted tarot advisor. Well, I want to give you 3 proven steps that you can take right now so that you can be taken seriously as a tarot reader. So first, commit to your studies, because when you study tarot from the ground up with a trusted teacher, you tend to have more belief in yourself and your knowledge. It's easy to question yourself when you're kind of muddling through all of the books all on your own and you're not getting any feedback, you're not getting guidance from someone who's already an expert. And what do I actually mean by learning from the ground up? Well, this is about learning the systems behind the cards so that way you can confidently read the story in any spread. It's about mastering the tarot card meanings without relying on guidebooks all the time, so that way you can be fully present in your readings. And then you expand into trusting your intuition during a reading, and finally into understanding the exact steps to grow your gift into a thriving business, if that's what you want. And here's the thing, you can just save years of time by learning all of this with a reputable tarot teacher who's been there and done that before you and has demonstrated success. Now, the next thing to do in order to be taken seriously as a tarot reader is to show up in a professional and ethical way. And this is the case even if you're not charging for your readings, because your clients are more likely to see you as professional when you know your stuff. Now, if you're fumbling around trying to figure out which spread to use, or you're struggling to really understand the heart of the question, the client might lose trust in you before the reading even begins. But here's the thing, if you come prepared with an established process or system, you've got sound knowledge of the card meanings, you've got knowledge of the best questions to ask, and you've got a few fail-proof spreads to suit any type of question, then the client can relax and they know that they're in good hands. And I also highly recommend having a code of ethics and clear boundaries, both to protect yourself and to show your clients that you take their privacy and their trust in you seriously. Now, of course, it's essential to maintain privacy and confidentiality for all your clients. Don't go telling your friends about the reading or posting it on social media, all about their problems, no matter how excited you are that you were able to help them, because that is a surefire way to break their trust and it won't win you any raving fans. Now, the final piece is consider getting certified. Now, here's the thing, you can read tarot just fine without having a certification or formal training. But the advantage of doing a certification that includes formal training is that it enhances your self-confidence and it gives you that professional edge that you can share with your potential clients. And we're not talking about some slapdash piece of paper that you can just get for paying someone a bit of money. We're talking about an in-depth certification that gives you lots of opportunity to practice, to receive feedback, to learn every element of how to be a successful reader, and go go through a high quality assessment process so that you really know and own your expertise when you come out on the other side. And applying yourself to certification can really build up your credibility. It can help you get clients more easily and also create a service that goes beyond your clients' wildest expectations, positioning you as an expert. And then, of course, making your tarot readings even more meaningful. And that's why I was so inspired to create the Biddy Tarot Certification Program, because it's designed to help tarot readers like you raise the bar and confidently share their gifts with the world and finally be taken seriously as a tarot reader. Now, I designed this program to really help you build that confidence and be taken seriously through a step-by-step education and process in all aspects of the tarot. It also includes things like beautiful community support and lots of opportunity to practice and receive feedback to make you an even better tarot reader. Now, all of my best tarot reading systems over the past 20 years of experience, down to the detail of things like establishing your own code of ethics, are all covered in this approved IICT training and certification program to really help you move into your expertise with ease. Now, if this sounds exciting, then I would love for you to explore what's on offer here at the Biddy Tarot Certification Program to help you be taken seriously as a tarot reader and to be able to put yourself out there with pride, because the more readers we have out there, the better, the more that we can really shift and change that perception. So see the link below to help you get started with this certification program and finally be taken seriously as a tarot reader. So I hope that this video has helped you, and I cannot wait to see you step into your confidence as a reader. Until next time, my friend, bye for now.